If you need a pep talk, you don't have to ask your friends anymore. You can ask AI. I just discovered this. I'm in Notion. It says press space for AI, so I'm going to press space. And then I'm just going to say, encourage me. And let's see what it writes. It says, keep up the good work. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Don't let any obstacles discourage you. They are just opportunities for growth and learning. Remember to take breaks and take care of yourself, and you will be unstoppable. So I said, thank you. Just like you would say to a person. And it says, you're welcome. You got this. You're welcome. Remember, you got this. And I'm going to click make longer, because you know how sometimes you get a pep talk and it helps you feel a little better, but you're not quite there yet. All right, so here's what AI says. You are doing an amazing job. Keep pushing yourself and never give up on your goals. Remember, it's okay to take breaks and rest when you need to. Take care of yourself both physically and mentally, and you will be able to achieve anything you set your mind to. Every obstacle you face is an opportunity for growth and learning, so don't let them discourage you. Keep moving forward with confidence and determination, and you will be unstoppable. I actually think these outputs may be different than the ones I got when I first discovered this, so I think you can keep doing this and get different encouragements. You're welcome.